Students, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir.
It's clear now? Right. The screen is visible now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. We'll start the class. So in the last class, discuss about the ports of computers. Yeah. Right. So there are some ports which is used to connect the devices. Devices means the physical parts of a computer. Right. So the physical parts mean the hardwares like mouse, keyboard, monitor, system unit. No, right. So to connect these kind of hardwares or devices, we need ports, right? So in that the first one is PS2 port. PS2 port, right? In the PS2 port, can connect a keyboard and mouse, right? So in earlier computers, we have this PS2 type of ports, right? So to connect mouse and keyboard, we use PS2 ports, right? But nowadays, we use USB ports to connect keyboard and mouse. Okay, right. Then VGA port is used to connect the monitor or the display unit with the system unit. And also the DVI port is used to connect those monitors and display units, right? And nowadays in most of computers, we have HDMI ports, right? This one also used to connect the monitor or the display unit like a smart board, multimedia projectors, smart televisions, right? Then the USB ports, right? By using these USB ports, can connect number of devices, right? So nowadays, the keyboard, mouse, printer, such devices can be connected through this USB port, right? And the sixth one, RJ45 port. RJ45 port, that means the Ethernet port to connect the networking devices like router, switches, hmm, modems, right? To connect these kind of networking device, we use RJ45 or Ethernet port or network port, right? And the seventh one, eSATA port to connect external storage devices like a hard disk, right? And the next one, HD audio port is used to connect high quality sound. That means to connect audio devices. Uh, Audio devices means the speaker and the uh, microphones, right? So like that, you can connect the audio devices, right? Then the display port. The display port is used to connect the devices like monitor, thing, the display devices with VGA or DVI ports. This one provides higher performance in digital devices, right? And this one, parallel port, which is used to connect printers in earlier computers, right? So in modern computers, we have USB ports to connect printers. And the next one is micro USB port. Micro USB port is used to connect some kind of smart devices like mobile phones, MP3 players, and photo printers, and also digital cameras. Okay, right. Then the SD card reader. For SD cards, it took. SD card reader. Right? Right. So these are the main ports in computers and also in laptops. Right? Clear, students? Is it clear, students? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So in your workbook, there is an activity. Did we finish this one? Is this one? Students, can you hear me? You have to do this activity, no?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't have workbook.
Oh, that's okay. I can share this activity, right? So you can see this screen, no?
Okay, sir.
So here you have matched these devices with the names, right? But in your writing book, write like this. Put the name, put the tag like A, right? Then write correct name of this device. That's enough. No need to put these tables and fill in the blank. Just put the letter and the name of this device. Okay,
Okay,
is
sir.
it clear?
Okay, thank you.
What about others? Is it clear, students? Students, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yes.
So what about others? Jishnudan, Varmikan, Vishalini. Right. So try to do this one. Then we'll discuss. Right? Right. Just put the letter, then write the name of this device. No need to write this part. Right? In schools, you can write it in the workbook, right? So that time you have to write the correct letter here. For example, DVI port, right? So which one is DVI port? So you can see the DVI port is there, right? So it's named with K, right? So in workbook, when you are doing the work in workbook, you can put K here. That is use K port, right? Now you have to write the answers in the writing book, right? So because of that, you have to write the letter here, right? And the name, write the name, the yes. So that's enough. Okay, right. I will give 5 minutes to do this activity. Make it fast.
Finish, sir.
Right. What about others? Finished. Jishnudan, Duli, Abi. Shall we check the answers? Rakshit, Marmikan,
Okay.
Done,
Yasra.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. So we'll check the answers. The first one, right? So the first one, A. If you put A, right? So you can write this one as parallel port.
Caroline.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Parallel port. Parallel port. And the second one, B. What is B? What is B? What is B? Yeah. This one is B. What is this? Can I see this one? What is this? What is this? Read it.
E-Stata port.
E-SATA port. E-SATA port. Right. Now, C. What is C? VGA. What is it? VGA. And next one, USB. No, USB. And this one, E. What is E? Rakshit,
Sir.
what is E?
HD about prot.
HD audio port. Not about port. Audio port. Okay. HD audio port. Right. And F. Varmikan, what is F? What is F?
Micro USB port.
No, that is not micro USB. Lasra?
HDMI port, sir.
Yes. HDMI port. Right. Then G. What is G?
RJ45 Ethernet port.
Yes. RJ45 or Ethernet port. Ethernet port. Right. Then this one. What is that?
Display port, sir.
Sorry? What is that? Display port. See? Port. Okay, very good. Next. I.
Micro USB port.
Yeah, micro USB. Right, good. And next one. This
S
one. SD card reader. SD card reader. Okay. And this one.
DVI port, sir.
DVI port. DVI
Port.
port. Okay. This one.
PS2 port, sir.
PS2 port. Yeah, correct. Okay, that's all, no? Is it clear? Right, so 12 blanks there. So the questions, right? So how many of you got 12 out of 12?
Sir, I got 12 out of 12.
I am
Clear.
also good. Sir.
Lustra. Okay, very good. Rakshit.
So, sir,
Sorry, Rakshit, I can't hear you.
sir, all are correct.
All are correct. Okay, very good. Then Abdul Qadir.
All correct.
All correct. Very good. Varmikan.
Sir, one wrong.
One wrong. Okay, it's okay. Very good. Then Jishnu then. Jishnu then. Jishnu then, can you hear me? No. Right. So most of you got 12 out of 12, no? Right. Very good. Uh, right. Okay, now we'll move to the next one. Okay? Right. Right. So next, we have to discuss about the troubleshooting hardware problems. So troubleshooting means solving those troubles or problems, right? When we use computers, the some problems with hardwares, right? So this the examples for hardware problems, right? So can you see the screen? Is it visible, students?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the first one is the computer does not function. The computer does not function. That is the first uh, hardware problem, right? Then the next one, the keyboard does not work. The keyboard does not work. Third one, the mouse does not work. The mouse not does not work. The monitor does not display. The speakers do not function. Network connections does not work. So these are some examples for hardware related problems. So you know that the hardware means the devices, the physical devices of computers are called hardware, like monitor, CPU, system unit, then keyboard, mouse, and a number of hardware devices there with related tests. No, right. So we happen when we use computers, right? So these are some examples for hardware problems. The computer does not function, the keyboard does not work, the mouse does not work, the monitor does not display, the speakers do not function, network connections does not work, right? So, takes problem number one. The computer does not function when the power button is pressed. When we turn on the power plug, then we have to switch on the system unit, right? When we switch on this, this does not function, right? So here there is a message, right? For activities connected with this unit, electricity has to be used. B, yes, do the activities under the direct supervision of the teacher. In checking the power supply, first disconnect the main power supply, right? So first we have to tap out the security, right? Some security issues when we check the yes. So these kind of devices are with the power supply. No, so checking then you have to disconnect the main power supply. Okay, stress. Is it clear? Before checking the device or before checking the power supply, you have to disconnect the main power supply. Okay, right. So solution number one, solution method number one. First, disconnect power supply from the wall socket. Right. So if you connect the desktop computer with an USB, right? So then you have sorry, not USB, UPS, uninterrupted power supply, right? With an UPS, first you have to uh, disconnect the power supply which is connected to the UPS from the wall socket, right? So step number two, if you connect your devices with the UPS, right? Then check whether it is connected properly with this. The cables are properly, right? If they are not connected, then connect them properly, right? Just you can remove that cable, right? Then can reconnect it, right? So this one is a simple step to check whether the supply is working, right? Then check whether the cables connecting to the computer this by using a monitor and the USB connected properly. Sometimes a system unit may be used to supply power for the screen. In such a situation, check both ends of the cables and fix properly if connection is loose, right? So this one is the power cable, right? So from PS or from direct socket, you can connect the power cable right here. Then the VGA, right? You have to check so that yes, or the VGA is working. Okay. If there are any problems with these cables, does work. Okay, students? Can you hear me, students?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Right. Okay. So then there's a second, right? And the step number four, right? Step